Do you smell that, Manny?
See?
That's the smell of Saturday.
Oh.
It's also the smell of Saturday and spring break.
I got bug spray because I'm feeling itchy.
We've got some neighbors' chickens visiting over here. I was about to let ours out, but we'll wait because they might get into a little scuffle. Hey, everybody. They've got some Isa Browns. Looks like some Easter eggers. Their rooster's really pretty, isn't he? Yeah. How you doing, sir?
That means
Thanks for the visit. Have a lovely day. There goes Miss Turkey. Okay, blow it. Yuck. It's a pretty one out here today and warm. I think it's supposed to be around 75 today, but tomorrow we're gonna be very close to 80. Listen to the birds.
I know all about fishing rods.
You do?
Yeah. So I know how to work fishing rods.
Yeah?
Just get the fishing line out and put it into these little holes and just wait and just do this. And you have one fish. So then you have fish.
Then you have a fish. Okay.
Yeah. So now you do it.
Okay.
Put in.
We just got one fish in here, I think. Ernest T.
Yeah.
All his friends got fished out by the herons and turtles and things like that.
Did you see that?
Yeah. Look at that pollen action, y'all. Can y'all see that? All right, y'all, we are back inside and we're about to make Easter dinner. We're making the big meal today on Saturday instead of tomorrow. That way I don't have to cook tomorrow and I'm not stuck in the kitchen. It'll be leftovers. Also, I'm trying a few new things here, kind of. I'm making the same kind of things I always make at Easter, but different recipes. I'm sure they're gonna be great, but just in case there's a fail, we can make it right tomorrow. Plus, we always have so much left over for holiday dinners that, you know, we eat it for a couple of days anyway, and the leftovers day is actually my favorite day. So we've got this ham. It's a Sam's Choice spiral cut premium smoked ham with a glazed packet. Where is that glazed packet? There it is. So we're making the macaroni and cheese deluxe, scalloped corn casserole, and some new green beans. All of these are kind of new. I mean, we always make macaroni and cheese. I usually make creamed corn, and with the macaroni and cheese, I either do slow cooker mac and cheese or we call it macaroni and cheese pie, but it's pretty much an oven baked macaroni and cheese. And we have green beans. Sometimes we have green bean casserole on Easter or just regular green beans. This time we're trying a new one that you bake in a 9x13 pan. I'm already smelling that ham and it is smelling good. Smelling like a holiday. We already have our desserts made. If y'all missed those videos, I'll link it down below. We've got the To Die For carrot cake and peanut butter pie and a strawberries and cream pie. We haven't cut into the strawberries and cream pie yet, but we did taste the extra part that we had extra filling left over, you know? So we just put it in a bowl and stuck it in the refrigerator. We've tasted that and it is really good. Sissy already put the elbow macaroni in, and I got the cheese shredded right here. You're welcome. Sissy doesn't love shredding cheese anymore, y'all. She's ready to pass that on to somebody else. Manly will gladly accept, but we might not have any cheese left when it's time to use it. The scalloped corn casserole is the one that's gonna take the longest, so we'll go ahead and put it together in the pan and get it in the oven. By then the macaroni will be done. We can get that in the oven. Then we'll start the green beans and then the mashed potatoes. Okay, the first thing we need is a chopped onion.
That's my favorite drink.
Yeah, I get it, Jay. Now we're gonna start melting some butter in this pan. When it starts to melt, we'll put in the onion. We need 1/2 cup plus 1 tablespoon. All right, onions are going in. We're just gonna cook them for about 5 minutes on medium. Well, I have it a little over medium. We're gonna pour the onions into this 9x13 pan. The onions and the butter. Okay, we're putting 1 can of creamed corn and 2 cans of whole kernel corn drained. Are you copying me, Manny Mac? Now we add this box of Jiffy corn muffin mix. Salt and pepper. And that's it. We're going to stir all this together. And it goes in the oven uncovered for 45 minutes. This smells really good. Yeah. Okay, for the green beans, we need bacon. I'm just going to use this same pan that we had the butter and onions in. That's not going to hurt anything. We're going to cook some bacon in here. I'm going to go ahead and slice this bacon up into small pieces too. That way, when it's done, it's already in the small pieces. I've got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 strips of thick cut bacon. We have 3 of these 28-ounce cans of cut green beans. We're going to drain them and pour them into the pan. Uh-oh, lost a green bean. Okay, we're going to set these over to the side. In this bowl, we're going to put 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar. Now we need 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce, 1½ teaspoons of garlic powder. Okay, we'll mix all this together and bring back over the green beans. We removed some of the bacon for topping later. The rest of this we're going to put over the top of the green beans. And I'm just draining it as I'm putting it on here. Now we're going to drizzle over a little bit of the bacon drippings. Just a couple of tablespoons in there. Now we pour this over the top. And it's going to go in the oven uncovered for 40 minutes. Okay, we've got the cooked macaroni in this bowl. Now we're going to add a 16-ounce container of cottage cheese. Yes, cottage cheese. This is my first time ever making macaroni and cheese with cottage cheese. 1 beaten egg, 8 ounces of sour cream. So I just need half of this container. This one's a 16-ounce. This is the one I'm worried about. The one that we might, I'm not sure. About 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 8 ounces of shredded sharp cheddar. No, not shark, sharp. Sharp, yeah. This is definitely going to be a different macaroni and cheese. Let me check on our soup. I keep wanting to call this corn a souffle instead of scalloped corn. And this was called macaroni and cheese deluxe. Sissy wants to spread it, go ahead. When she gets it spread out, we're going to top it with the rest of this cheese, and it goes in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. How is it that you always show up just when the food's done? What movie is that from? Anybody know out there? It was Uncle Richard, the Christmas card. He's trying the extra strawberries and cream pie filling.
Y'all have just looked at my plate,
Yeah.
and all I can say is Happy Easter to you.
Okay, I'll just tell you, the macaroni and cheese is called macaroni and cheese deluxe. It's new.
Oh, okay.
It's a new
This is
recipe.
new.
Yes. But it's still hot. It just came out. It's the last thing that came out of the oven. So you might want to try the corn first. This is scalloped corn.
I'll go ahead since I got this on my fork.
Okay. And then the green beans are also new.
Really good.
What do you think about it? I mean, that one's the most.
Macaroni and cheese, I love it.
It's really different. You don't taste anything does it taste like my normal macaroni and cheese? Like Granny?
It's slightly different.
But
I'm not sure how to explain it.
No extreme difference.
No, I don't think so.
This is scalloped corn.
That's great.
That's great. Okay, that got the big eyes and a smile.
That's really good. That's almost like cornbread dressing.
Cornbread and corn, yeah. It's good. I snuck a taste of it.
Wow.
Green beans are good?
Beans got a great smoke kind of taste to them or something. Lord have mercy, y'all. Y'all need to try that. That right there tastes like
But
something.
now, let's talk about that macaroni and cheese again.
Well, let me
Because that was the most different thing that I thought would be.
I don't know. Them green beans right there taste like you smoked them. They that good. I'll revisit this macaroni and cheese. It's really good, but
you can't tell a big difference because that is made extremely different than I've ever made macaroni and cheese before, ever. But
here's the thing, y'all. I love this whole deal. I just got to be honest with you. As a matter of fact, before I actually eat this, I'm gonna go ahead and replace what I sampled.
Peanut butter pie survived, y'all. Nobody peeked in there. They thought it was leftovers or something. I knew that would work.